Dr. Shell's soul food cooking. I got your soul food. I got your soul food. Dr. Shell's soul.
Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Shell's Soul Food Cooking. Let me tell you, let me introduce to some, and to you that already know me, my wonderful followers, thank you so much. I am Chef Shell from Atlanta, Georgia. Yes, I'm a native of Atlanta, honey. I've been here my entire life, actually, since I was 5 years old. Listen, I am a mother, a grandmother, honey, a sister, and a friend. But you know what? Other things that you may not know about me is that I am a certified culinary chef, honey. Yes, I have all of my degrees, and I have been cooking for over 30 years. Dr. Shell's Soul Food Kitchen has been in existence for 3+ years, okay? But honey, I got all of my recipes from my grandmother, Mary Tyler, honey, Aunt Gussie, and Grandma Penn. So when you taste that food, it's just like, honey, you're going back into history. You're going to say, that tastes just like my grandmama's. I've done my job if you taste the food and it does like that. Now, you may want to know, what do I do? We do catering, you guys. Private events, product launches, office gatherings, weddings, honey. Yes, we just celebrated doing some weddings. I love a good wedding. We do meal prep, okay? Meal prep consists of proteins, a veggie, a carb. You can get 5 meals, 10 meals, 15, a whole month of services, a whole year, honey, if you want Chef Shell. Listen, I will travel to you. But a little bit more about that meal prep. You might want to say, well, what kind of vegetables can I get? Out of a variety, asparagus, collard greens, really whatever your palate likes. You might say, Chef, I'm a vegetarian. Well, honey, we can meet your needs. And if you're doing keto, we are keto friendly as well. I am here to service you. And thank you so much. And welcome to Dr. Shell's Soul Food Cooking. And stay tuned, we have so much more coming. Listen, we're just getting ready to launch what a Thanksgiving series, honey. We're getting ready to talk about turkeys, Christmas, and follow me for more. And put some things in the comments. What do you want me to talk about? Do you want my mac and cheese recipe? Do you want that cornbread recipe? What do you want? I am here for you.